Stay close, everyone, and keep your trunks to the ground where there's less smoke.
It ain't the smoke you gotta worry about. It's us.
Hyenas? Circle the little ones and move!
Why, hello, elephants.
Away from the jackals! Everyone, this way!
Guess again, my Timbo.
Face it, my Tembo. Between us and the fires, you got nowhere to go.
Oh no! Kion! Kion! Montembo's herd! They're surrounded by hyenas, jackals, and crocodiles!
All at the same time? Scar.
Scar?
He's behind this.
So, what do we do?
We save the herd. Forget the fire.
Forget the fire?
There's no other choice. Tell the rest of the guard and the elephants.
Affirmative.
Hello, Warsaw.
Goodbye, Janja!
Kion, there's too many of them.
And the fire's headed this way!
We have to retreat. Oh no! Find the safest way out of here!
Affirmative. I've got it! But we'll need to move quickly before the fire spreads!
Then lead the way. Vashti, clear the path for the elephants.
You got it!
Bunga, Fully, keep them safe.
Will do.
Let's go! Get away from her! Matembo, we need to get everyone out of Kilio Valley.
You want us to leave, but
I want to save your herd, so we gotta go, now!
Everyone, follow the Lion Guard out of the valley immediately.
This way, everyone!